Welcome again to the part D, lesson 3 of module 1. The title for this one is choosing the best web hosting. How to choose the best web hosting. Now, how to choose a best web hosting provider. There are some things you need to know and understand in this regard. Picking a good hosting provider boils down on these three S. One, speed. Two, support. Three, scale. And security. Speed, support, scale, and security. It is not all hosting company server that have good speed. You need to understand this. You need to make some research so that you can host your website with a good company. Best and the most popular among them, I think, is Bluehost. We have Bluehost as the example number one. GoDaddy is there. Then I told you about InterServer also. They are not that popular, but I love their services. Support. Their support also. Support is one of the things you need to consider. For example, you take your patient to an hospital that the doctor there and nurses do not care. When the patient is dying, you are calling to them, they say they are coming, they are coming, they are coming until the patient gets died. So and you can't do it yourself. That is the case of a web hosting company that have that their support team are not so vibrant. You need to look for a support team that is vibrant and timely when you send a request to them. Then the scale, that one has to do with the cost and the charges. So some are highly exorbitant, while some are moderate, while some are not that costly, but at the same time, like that Bluehost, I remember one time that I want to host my website with them. Their minimum hosting plan is 2 years. Started with 2 years, and I don't have that money as at that time. So that is why I moved to InterServer. So presently, I'm not hosting with them. I don't know if they have cut it to a bearable minimum. Meanwhile, their hosting plan is very, very cheap, and their platform is very okay. So if you can afford that. Security is also very paramount. You need to make sure that the website you host your company with is highly secured. I've mentioned speed, support. Speed, support is highly major. It's major. So because one service they can offer for you within a day, other company can be doing it within 1 week, 2 week, and the final result may be poor. So you make sure that you get a very good company to start with. The part B of it is what's important in a hosting provider. There are some things that are very important. Hosting services are available in a wide range of price ranging from a few dollars a month to thousands of dollars. If you are a small business getting started, you can probably do quite well with a cloud virtual private server or managed services ranging from $5 to $100, roughly £8 to £80, or as you can see there per month. So and you need to understand all this, because if you gather together all your resources to host a websites and when you are still a startup. Maybe your monthly payment is 10,000 naira. Why doing that? Why you can host the annual payments, the total annual payments is between 10,000 to 15,000 naira for 12 months, and you use the whole money and even more than that to subscribe for just 1 month, and your business is not even being recognized and no one is buying for you for now. So that is exorbitant. You need to start somewhere and later move on. Then the other part of it is that what's important in hosting service is number one, decide how much hand holding you need. And this is the customer services. The services that will be managing your either your server or your web platform. You need to decide that. Other thing is estimate the amount of traffic you expect. Yes. So the amount of traffic you are expecting, for example, when a particular country wants to open a portal for job application, they must understand that at a particular time, that 20,000 of people might be browsing, might be making a request on their server. So that one is highly important to consider. Other thing is to decide types of content you plan to serve on your on the website. A blogging website that is serving just ordinary content for reading news content is different to a YouTube site that is serving videos, very heavy videos. So you can't say conclude that the same server that will host YouTube website is the same server that will host a news site, maybe daily post site. No. So you need to understand this. Understand server type. The server type you need to understand it, more especially if you have adequate money with you to buy the necessary one. The other thing is that the ways of unlimited offer. Some company will tell you that their hosting company is unlimited. There is nothing called unlimited. Unlimited hard disk, unlimited disk space, unlimited domains, add-on domains, subdomains, unlimited disk space, and so on and so forth. It is not real. When you get to that, you will understand that it is not real. They give you problem in the long run. So buy a domain hosting company that have a definite offer. They have enough resources for your for your company website. Other thing is cloud server may be a better choice. Presently, that is the new technology in the town, cloud server. Though it will be costly, you have to understand that. Choose a portable content management system to avoid login. A portable content management system like WordPress. You have WordPress, you have what we call it, we have Joomla, we have Drupal, but WordPress is the most popular, so you need to choose one so that at the end of the day, it will not become a mirage for you to manage. uh, Own your domain name. That one is sure. Don't go and do your website name dot another website name. Don't go and do that. You understand what I'm telling you now? Make sure you register a custom domain. Once again, I'm telling you so that you can understand this beforehand. The two subdomain we are offering you is not a permanent website for you. It is for you to start learning it for practical purpose, to set up your business running so that you can raise money for your business. And when you get enough money, you have enough money to build a professional website, then you can quit. So we are not promising you a complete custom website. What we are promising you, though it is a website, you have you have all softwares, all tools available for you, but something will make the difference. What will make the difference is your website name dot our name. That is the difference. So, and we have authority over the web. We may in future decided to shut down the website. Then, although we will offer you long time to transfer your files, data, and so many other things on your website to a new destination. But that one is not good enough. So we are offering you this one for practical purpose. Secondly, to set up, some of you do not have business yet, but you want to make money online. You can set it up and start making money. No problem about that. Then at the same time, our affiliate platform, we do not want you to just be sharing a referral link, you just share it on Facebook. No, we don't want you to be doing that. We want to build a affiliate marketing platform for you that you'll be using, where you will have the email of your user, you have direct contacts, the direct connection with those people who are buying through you. That is the reason why we we do it that way. I think you understand this now. We have come to the end of this section. So we have told you about how to choose a web hosting provider. So what to consider is speed, support, scale, and security. Other thing there is what is important in a hosting provider. Then other thing here is what is important in hosting provider. We made mention of so many things for you. So please, you need to take care of all this information. You can now move to another